back. So I had a really great question come in wanting to know how can we declutter our stream. So one of our teachers felt like as she was scrolling down, she just saw so many posts that her important posts might get lost in translation as you're trying to scroll through and find what you're looking for. So what you are going to do, click on your settings, which is your gear right here, your little gear icon. And once you click on it, you're just going to go to general settings. You are going to click classwork on the stream. You are going to hide notifications, save it. Now, when you log on, when the kids log on, all they're going to see are announcements and posts that you've made. This is a great way to help just declutter how active your stream can look sometimes, especially as you're starting to post assignments to the classwork. Don't forget, keep sending those questions in. I will keep making videos as quick as I can. Thank y'all so much. See you next time.